Today I will try to create a glowy shadow text effect in Snapseed, which can be normally done easily in programs like Photoshop. So today I have selected this image where I will apply the text effect on. I will go directly to the text tool, and with the default font style selected, I will name the text as Flora. I will move the text to the bottom so that the background is a bit darker, which makes the text pop. I will change the text color to something similar to the color of the flower. I will change the color to something yellowish orange. I will apply this color. Now I need to apply some blurriness to the text. To do that, I will go to Tools, Lens Blur Filter. Here I will change the transition strength. I will reduce the transition to minimum. Also the vignette strength. And I will make the circle smaller. And apply it. Now I need to apply the blurriness only on the text. To do that, I need to do some masking. I will tap the stacks icon on the top right, NavEdits, Lens Blur Layer and Brush. Here you can toggle the effect on or off. So with the toggle off, I will increase the opaqueness to 100 and brush it on the text. And you can toggle the mask eye icon where you can see where the effect is applied. You can further tune the selection. And apply the effect. So now you can see the effect applied only on the text. Now I need to duplicate the text. To do that, I will tap the 3-dot settings icon on the top right, copy and insert. This will duplicate all the effects applied. As we don't need the lens blur layer, the latest one, I will delete it and go to the latest text layer and change the font color to black. So now you can already see the glow effect. It looks like an outer stroke effect is applied to the text. To increase the glowness of the shadow further, you can go back to the lens blur and increase the blur strength further a little and apply it. So you can see the increased glowness. And if you want to change the color of the glow, you can go to the first text layer and change the font color. Here I will try to choose another bright color. I will choose blue here and apply it. And tap the latest text layer. And here you can see how the glowy shadow text effect in Snapseed can be done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, also subscribe.